This is a video tour for Tramway Road. So it's a 2-bedroom end terrace in Egbert. We enter through the front door into the living room. So we've got a nice bright space. Some of the previous tenants' belongings are still here, so most of this will be removed. As you can see, neutrally decorated wood effect laminate floors, and then into the dining room. So you have a serving hatch into the kitchen. So the white goods in here will be staying. So that's washing machine, under counter fridge, cooker. We then have a rear yard. There's a little bit of storage. We've got some astroturf down. Gate out into the alley. We have the downstairs bathroom. So all nice grey tiles. Got the sink, toilet, we've got the bath, and there's an overhead shower as well. So heading upstairs, we can only see one of the bedrooms today, just because the current tenant is working from home. So that would be a second bedroom, but the main bedroom, as we can see, really nice size. So we've got some built-in wardrobes, and there's loads of space there, as you can tell. So that concludes the video tour. If you would like any more information or you'd like to arrange a viewing, just give us a call on 0151 722 2222. Thank you.